national anthem. Performing today's national anthem is Kevin Caraballo. Kevin is a devoted husband and father of 6. He is well known and beloved in our community as a worship leader and local performer. Kevin has decades of experience gracing the stage as Shrek in Shrek the Musical, Seymour in Little Shop of Horrors, Scarecrow in The Wizard of Oz, and Lumiere in The Beauty and the Beast. Kevin recently signed with 322 Group and is excited to embark on his exciting new chapter as he prepares for a 2025 tour. Let's give a warm round of applause as Kevin Caraballo honors our Olympic gold medal country by singing our national anthem. Oh.